guys, today I found this really cool app, and yeah, it lets you make like really cool stuff, little cool woofy, and I wanted to, why not just make one of my favorite YouTubers, yeah. And her name is Selfie Wolf, so yeah, I just wanted to make this for her, and I really like her videos, and this took me a while to think about, actually. And I'm really sorry to say, but there's no halo. And I know it's Selfie Wolf as a halo. So if I don't have a halo, I hope you're fine with that. Anyways, this is the best I could do for her, though. But yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed me trying to make her. Bye, guys.